something sweet. Oh, look, a donut. It's my evening snack.
Sam. And Lily. And today we are very excited because Lily has her first ever Kidpik box. We are going to be... Oh! We are going to be... Oh! Sorry. We are going to be unboxing this for you guys, and we're also going to be doing a try-on haul. So Lily is going to try all of these outfits on. Kidpik is a service where you're able to go onto the website and your daughter and yourself can choose. It's like they have a little survey and they can choose different outfits that kind of they prefer for their style. There are 4 different styles. So you can do a classic, a trendy, a girly, and an active. What would you say you are?
Girl?
Yeah, I would say you're pretty girly. And then they ship out the box directly to you with 3 custom outfits specially designed to the taste of your daughter, including shoes. These outfits are mix and match, and they give you a 30% discount if you decide that, you know what, I want to keep every single thing in this box. They'll give you a 30% off of every single item. If you want to purchase things just here and there, like, oh, I really like those shoes and I like this top, you can send the rest of the stuff back, free shipping, free returns, and then they would just charge you for the items that you want, and then you don't have to pay for the other items. So they give you 7 days to try these out, see how you like them, and then decide whether or not you want to keep the whole box, keep a few items, or return everything. So it's kind of like a nice way to try before you buy. The average box costs about $89, which works out to be $12.50 for each specific item in the box. So we are going to leave the link down below for you guys. It's just kidpik.com, but I will leave it in the description box below so that you guys can go and check it out, take the survey, try it out for yourself. Are you ready to open this baby up?
Yeah!
Yeah! Okay. Yeah. Okay, so inside it says, what does that say? Phoenix, can you read it from there?
Yeah!
Yeah. This box was started especially for you.
Especially for Lily. And then you have this cute little sticker and some tissue. Whoa! What do you see first, baby Lil? Oh my god, there's so much cute stuff. Okay, so this is the first item. And she's going to be doing a try-on haul for you guys. So she's going to try it all on and model it so that you guys can see exactly what it looks like. Okay, are you ready? Are you ready for this? OMG, what's it going to be? What do you think of those?
They're like little heels.
Those are so cute. Oh my goodness. They're so sparkly. Is that something that you think you would wear?
Yeah, I think they're kind of like heels, like we could be matching.
Oh, twinsies. Okay, well here, we'll try all of that stuff on in a minute.
Okay.
Okay.
This one.
Next we got, oh, this cute little bag. It's got a star on it. And, oh, look, it even has a gold strap.
Wow.
Oh, it's elastic, kind of like a hairband.
Elastic.
Oh my gosh, look how cute that is. Do you like that?
Yeah.
That is so cute. Oh, you get a little purse. It totally matches with the shoes. What do you see next, baby Lil? It says, a gift for you.
I want to hold it.
Okay, you open it. See what's in there. Cute little baggie, huh?
You can see something squishy in the area.
Oh, what is squishy in your here? Do you want help?
Yeah. No.
Okay.
It's a squishy donut.
A donut? Oh, you got a cute little squishy donut.
Squishy.
Squishy. Oh, that is cute.
Look
What a
at it.
sweet little squishy donut. Phoenix is our executive producer today. He's in the background here making sure everything goes right.
Donut.
Okay, Miss Sil, what's this next piece?
It's a flower on a shirt that's very pretty.
That is so pretty. It's got little sequins. It's very cute. That's a cute little tank top. Okay, next piece. Oh, those are cute. Oh my gosh. Let's show these first. Oh, these are adorable little shorts. They have this really cute little crochet detail on the sides. Look at that. Oh my gosh, those are adorable. Will you wear those?
Yeah.
Yeah? Oh, a tutu. Lily loves tutus. That's cute. What else do we have in here?
This.
What's this? Oh, a swimsuit.
Swimsuit.
You got a new swimsuit? We're going to a swimming birthday party tomorrow. You can wear this there.
Yeah.
Wow, look how cute that is. That's adorable. It's got little butterflies and like this cute little ruffle. This is very cute.
Wow.
Oh, wow. This is beautiful. Look at that.
And it has a zipper.
Oh, and it has a zipper on the back. It's kind of like this really nice kind of silky but thick material. What a pretty little dress. Do you like that? Yeah. Do you want to wear that over your bathing suit to the party tomorrow?
Yeah.
That's really cute.
I want my donut.
Wow. Okay, so she loves the donut.
Do you like my donut?
So, everything in this box is $102.55 with the discount. So if you want to purchase the entire box, then it would be $102. If you want to buy the things separately, the swimsuit is $24.50, the dress is $27.50, the t-shirt is $16.50, the shorts are $17.50, the skirt is $17.50, the shoes are $27.50, and the little bag is $15.50. So that would total out to be $146.50. But if you want to decide to buy the whole box, you get that 30% discount, and it would be $102.55. 7 items altogether, including a pair of shoes, which is pretty good, really. I don't think those prices were like too high. And then they do include a prepaid bag that for anything that you don't want to keep, then you can send back and it's not going to charge you at all. So you have that in the box as well. Is this pretty good stuff?
Donut.
You like the donut the best?
Yeah.
She likes the donut the best. So that was like a free little gift, I think.
Donut.
What was your favorite piece out of the clothing?
Dress.
So you like this dress the most?
Yeah.
Yeah, that is really pretty. Are you ready to try everything on?
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna try everything on and probably insert little clips as we're showing the items so you guys can see them on. Are you excited for a fashion show?
Can I tell them something?
Sure.
So I think this is like, I'm going to pretend this is a donut ring and I'm going to put it on.
Ah, are you gonna trick Daddy?
Yeah.
Should we pretend it's a real donut?
Yeah, I'm going to eat it.
And then you're going like, oh, this is so good. I've been having this donut. And he'll be like, oh, I want a donut. I'm jealous. But then you'll be like, sorry about your luck. There is our first ever Kidpik unboxing. Would you like to do this again, do you think?
Yeah.
Is this something that you would, if you could, you would order again?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah? You think all the clothes, do you think that they got your style pretty well? I think they did.
I like flowers and pink and purple and sparkles.
And tutus.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think they really, and you like butterflies, and that bathing suit is butterfly.
And I like blue.
Yes, so I think that they got your style down pretty well, so your survey was good.
Yeah. And I like donuts.
And she loves donuts. And I love donuts too. If you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already.
Tell your mom about Kidpik if you like donuts with pink sprinkles and flowers with butterflies.
Yeah, if you have a daughter, definitely check it out. Really cute stuff, really nice quality. Like everything feels like it's really nice quality items. It's not just like super cheapy. Not only do you get all those clothes, but you do get the little shoes. And I love that they include a little accessory too. Like how cute is that, a little bag? A little bag that matches your little shoes. Fancy. Okay, we're gonna try these babies on now. Thank you guys so much for watching. We love you all. Leave a comment down below telling us what is your very favorite piece.
Donut.
Hers is the donut and the dress. Let us know down below what you guys like the most. And if you already do get Kidpik, let us know your thoughts. How has your experience been? Have you enjoyed it? Have they gotten your daughter's style? Again, this is from ages 4 to 16. And the shoe sizes go up to size 6. So it is a really big age range, which I think is really cool. You can just take that little quiz. And I think like from what we filled out on the quiz, they got her style down really well. So obviously the quiz does work. So thank you guys so much for watching. Huge thank you to Kidpik for sponsoring this video and sending out these lovely clothes to Lily. She's very excited. She's super excited about the donut. And we'll see you guys in our next video. Mwah. Bye. Can you say bye? Bye-bye. Cute.
I'm Yui's brother and I helped do this video. I just want to say that I was in the background over there and all these was so cute, but I didn't get to finish it because my thing was all done. So
Your memory card?
yeah.
But you still got really good footage on your camera.
Yeah.
And do you think these are cute outfits?
Yes.
Yes. You think that your sister looks pretty fabulous? Yeah. Would you take her out somewhere?
Yeah.
You wouldn't take her out in this cute outfit?
I want to say something.
Okay.
Hey, do you think he looks taller than me? Because I do. He's 7.
No, you're taller than me.
Thanks for
watching.
watching.
And please subscribe.
Please subscribe if you like this video. Bye-bye.
Bye.